Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and wanted to show you a 2004 Chevy S-10 that we just now are putting on the lot. This thing is a four-wheel drive S-10. It does have the 4.3 liter V6 engine in it, so I'm going to do a quick walk around. Then we'll go on the inside. Show you what it looks like inside. It is the ZR5 package. So let's go back here on the back end. It does have the tinted back glass on it. It does have the bed liner in it. Now this is a short bed, but actually the liner looks to be in very good condition. We'll walk around on the passenger side. You see it does have the rails at the top of the bed. Good tread on the tires. Let me back off and show you the entire side. And nice thing with this one, you do have the four doors. LS model, cloth interior, black. And let's show you the front of this. So if you're looking for something inexpensive, this would be a fantastic option. Show you the window controls, locks on the door. Back off, show you the entire panel. Let me go ahead and hop in here and shut the door. I'll go ahead and back off, and you can actually see the wheel and the instrument cluster. Lighting control for your lights over here. Now your four-wheel drive selectors, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive right up here. Back off here, you do have your radio. It does have a CD player built into it, your climate controls, two cup holders that are down here, storage compartment. You also have storage in the center console. And we'll go up overhead. You do have storage capacity up here. I actually used to own an S-10, and actually it was a nice little truck. So there's your back. So I just wanted to share this little truck with you. Actually, it's going to make a nice truck for someone if you don't want to spend a lot of money on something newer. But feel free to give us a phone call with any questions. We can get you financing for this. We got lenders that are eager to loan money. And just give us a phone call. You don't have to have perfect credit for this. Telephone number 740-992-4443. Hope you have a great day.